If incoming calls are showing on your iPhone but not appearing on your Apple Watch, don't immediately reset the watch. In this video, I'll walk you through the fixes in the order I recommend trying them, starting with the easiest ones. Step 1. Check the connection first. Make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Press the side button on your Apple Watch to open the control center and check its connection status. Keep your iPhone and Apple Watch close together. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on, and turn airplane mode off on both devices. Apple Watch normally uses Bluetooth when your iPhone is nearby, and can switch to Wi-Fi when necessary. Step 2. Turn off focus mode. Press the side button on your Apple Watch, open Control Center, and check whether Do Not Disturb, Sleep, Work, or another focus mode is active. Turn it off temporarily and test your calls again. You should also open Settings on your iPhone, tap Focus, and check its settings because Focus can be shared across connected Apple devices and can control which people or apps are allowed to alert you. Step 3. Unlock your Apple Watch. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and properly worn on your wrist. Apple explains that notifications normally appear on either your iPhone or Apple Watch rather than both. If your iPhone is unlocked, notifications generally go to the iPhone, while a locked or sleeping iPhone sends them to the Apple Watch unless the watch itself is locked. Step 4. Check sounds and haptics. If the incoming call appears but you don't hear or feel an alert, open Settings on your Apple Watch and go to Sounds and Haptics. Increase the alert volume and make sure silent mode isn't causing you to miss the sound. You can also adjust the haptic settings so incoming alerts are easier to notice. After making the changes, lock your iPhone and test another incoming call. Step 5. Restart watch and iPhone. Restarting both devices can fix temporary connection problems. Turn off your Apple Watch and iPhone, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on, followed by your Apple Watch. Keep the devices close together while they reconnect, then have someone call your number to see whether the incoming call now appears on your watch. Step 6. Check Wi-Fi calling. If calls appear when your iPhone is nearby, but disappear when you move away from it, check Wi-Fi calling. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, choose Wi-Fi calling, and turn it on if your carrier supports it. Also, enable calling on other devices when available. Apple says a properly configured Apple Watch can make and receive phone calls over Wi-Fi even when the paired iPhone isn't nearby. Step 7. Check cellular service. If you have a GPS plus cellular Apple Watch and expect to receive calls without your iPhone nearby, make sure cellular service is active. Open the Control Center on your Apple Watch and check the cellular button. Apple says the button turns green when the watch has a cellular connection. You can also open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch, then Cellular, and check that your supported carrier plan is properly configured. Step 8. Update your devices. Check whether your iPhone and Apple Watch have software updates available. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, and Software Update. For your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to My Watch, General, and Software Update. Install available updates, restart both devices, and test your calls again. Apple also recommends keeping both devices updated when using cellular features. Step 9. Unpair and pair again. If calls still don't appear, unpairing and pairing the Apple Watch again can rebuild the connection between the devices. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, select your watch, tap the information button, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. Follow the on-screen instructions, then pair the watch with your iPhone again. Save this step for last because reconnecting and restoring the watch takes longer than the other fixes.